All right, let's get into it. What a week. Nifty opened the week near 23,950, dipped, and then caught fire 4 days out of five. Let's look at the charts to see more. So we can see that it's rallied almost 2.6%, and now it's slightly bearish to neutral over here since it's rallied so much off the lows. Now we look at under the hood, the VIX also crashed to almost 11 and a half. That's a multi-month low. And that just means nobody is wanting to pay for protection, which is a bullish until it isn't. FIIs have turned net buyers and they bought about 3,000 crores on Wednesday and 3,600 crores on Thursdays. And DIIs have sold a little bit into strength, which is a cause of concern. Now let's look at the expiry data. So, like we said, that people were super bullish, they're buying calls and selling puts. And if we scroll all the way up, we can say the max pain is around 24,350. So there's a high chance of pinning around 24,300, 24,400 levels. There's a lot of uh, open interest around those levels. If we can come back down and see, so you can see that there's about um, 1,51,000 quantity open of this contract. I think, right? Oh, I guess. So at 24,400, you've got around 1 lakh quantity of puts sold, 24,300, 1 lakh 51 puts sold. And if you see 24,600, which is the main support, it's about 1 lakh 85,000. So we're in a relatively wide range of about 24,600 to 24,200 for the coming week. Now let's look at individual charts, which are looking bullish. So we come to the chart analyzer. The first name on our radar is Bajaj Finance. So as we can see, it's already broken out quite aggressively. That's why our technical engine is giving it a hold because it wants to get a pullback and not chase at this price. So it was up about almost from the lowest 12.7% this week. And it's got good volume on the breakout as well. So everything is good about this. Just don't chase it here. It's not a stock you should chase. Wait for a pullback somewhere here or here. That would be ideal. Then the next name is Dr. Reddy. This name has been buzzing because of the GLP news. Sorry, not Dr. Reddy, it's TB Slab. Right. So, like again, you see, any time a stock becomes extended where the RSI goes to 83, our technical engine will never tell you to buy it because you should not chase it there. So these two stocks are the highest momentum stocks, which are up 12% to 11%. But as I said, you should not chase them here. Wait for a slight pullback, and that'll get a good entry point. Now, uh, finally, what's the game plan for the week? For Nifty, we are expecting a slight gap up opening. So if we come back here and see Nifty, if it gaps above this, like somewhere here, it's probably going to rally up to 24,600 where we see strong call support. And over there, it should run into resistance because you've had one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. It looks like maybe one more week it'll run up, and this looks like an exhaustion move to me. So you should be very careful with your longs here. And simultaneously, until it breaks 24,000, there's no real reason to be buying insurance. So this seems to be a very range bound to sideways market with the potential for a sharp reversal. So that was all for today. I hope you guys got a clear view of what Nifty will do for the next week. And thanks for watching.